So hey, it's Dave from Sage Garden. As you can see, we're somewhere really cool today. We're at Peg Beer Co. in Winnipeg, and we had a launch event today for our 28-day Indoor Garden Challenge 2018 edition. We had a lot of fun. Why are we here? 28-day Indoor Garden Challenge, exactly. Has anyone done this before? If you're going through the 28-day Indoor Garden Challenge, let's stay in touch. I'll be mentoring people through the month, so if you have any questions, challenges, awesome pictures of your garden growing, please post them there. I'll be checking all the time, and it's really cool to see what other people are doing. We're giving away 1,000 packs of seeds. There's going to be lots of gardeners doing this, so be part of that community. You can also look forward to other fun events like this. Always check back at sagegarden.ca as well as our Facebook page, and we look forward to seeing you at another cool Sage Garden event.